Most people look at this bonnet and think it just needs a wash. They're wrong. What you're seeing isn't dirt. It's thousands of tiny scratches that have slowly stolen the shine from the paint. Every trip through an automatic car wash, every bad wash technique, it all adds up. Today we're putting two polishing machines head to head to see which one can actually bring this paint back to life. No brand loyalty, no myths, no guessing. One side gets the rotary, the other side gets the dual action polisher. Same paint, same compound, same conditions. By the end of this video, you'll see the difference with your own eyes, and you'll know which machine deserves your money. Let's get started. This right here is the dual action polisher, the DA. And if you're just starting out, this is the one I'd tell you to grab. Watch how it moves. See that? The pad's spinning, but it's also wobbling in this random orbital pattern. That's the whole trick. It's what keeps this thing from building up heat in one spot. Because here's the thing with a rotary, that pad spins in one direction, dead center, no give. You get a little sloppy, linger too long, you can burn straight through the clear coat. This one basically won't let you do that. So if it's your first time picking one of these up, start here. Learn the motion, learn the pressure, then worry about rotary later. All right, so before any machine even touches this bonnet, I gotta wipe it down properly first. This microfiber right here, I'm going over the whole panel, getting rid of any dust, any grit, anything that could scratch the paint before we even start polishing. People skip this step all the time and then wonder why they're pulling swirl marks straight into fresh paint. Now I'm putting the polish down. Just a few dots, don't need a ton. A little goes a long way with this stuff. And I'm spreading it out by hand first, just a light pass, getting it across the surface evenly before the machine even comes into play. This part looks boring, but it's honestly half the job. If your prep's clean, everything after this is smooth sailing. Now let's get into it with the machine. First thing, and this is where beginners mess up every single time, you start at a low speed. Don't just crank it up because you're excited. Low speed first, let the pad sit flat on the panel, and just watch how it moves across the paint. You want to see that polish spreading evenly, no dragging, no skipping. Once you see it laying down nice and smooth across the panel, that's when you start bringing the speed up a little at a time. And here's the tell. Watch the polish itself. As it starts working into the paint, it'll start turning clear, almost disappearing right in front of you. That's your sign it's actually cutting. It's actually doing something. That's when you know you can push the speed up another notch. You're not just running the machine back and forth randomly either. Overlapping passes, slow and controlled, slight pressure. Let the machine do the work. Don't lean into it like you're trying to sand the thing down. Section by section, keep it moving, keep it even, and keep checking the pad. If it's loading up with old polish, that's telling you something too. This whole process, doing it right, is the difference between a bonnet that looks wet and glassy when you're done versus one that's still got haze sitting in it. So stick with me here, because by the time we wipe this down at the end, you're going to see exactly what that transformation looks like. And that's really the rhythm you want to lock into. Low speed to spread it, build up as it breaks down, section by section till the whole bonnet's covered. Don't rush past a spot just because it looks shiny after one pass. Give it those few extra seconds to actually finish cutting. You'll feel the machine almost glide easier once the polish is doing its job right. Once this whole panel's done, we wipe it clean, and that's when you really see the difference. That's the payoff for taking your time instead of rushing through it. All right, second round, reapplying the polish on the bonnet. This isn't because we messed up, it's just how this works. One pass gets you most of the way, but a second round is what really knocks out anything the first pass left behind. Same deal as before, just a few dots spread across the panel. Don't overload it. And notice this time, it's already sitting different on the surface. The paint's already smoother than when we started, so the polish is going to spread even easier this round. This is the pass that really brings out that depth in the paint. All right, machine's back on. Let's go again. Same low speed start. Don't get cocky just because round one went well. I see you already reaching for high speed. Put that energy away for a second. Low and slow, let the pad find its rhythm on the panel again. This time you'll notice something different. The polish is gliding way easier than before. Almost like the paint's saying, yeah, okay, I trust you now. That's not a coincidence. That's literally the surface getting smoother with every pass. Less resistance, less friction, and honestly, less chance of you messing anything up. Now here's something people don't talk about enough. Round two isn't about fixing mistakes, it's about consistency. First pass gets the big stuff. The obvious swirls, the dull patches jumping out at you. This pass is about evening everything out, so the whole bonnet reflects light the exact same way, edge to edge. Because nothing looks worse than a car with one shiny corner and the rest still looking like it went through a sandstorm. Watch the polish again. Same trick as before. Keep an eye on it, turning clear as you work it in. That's your machine talking to you, telling you, hey, I'm actually cutting into this. I'm not just moving product around for fun. If it's not breaking down and disappearing, you either put down too much or you're moving too fast across the panel. Slow down, let it work. And I know it looks like I'm just going back and forth doing nothing exciting, but trust me, this is the boring part that separates a detail that looks good in a photo from one that actually holds up when the sun hits it outside. No filters, no editing, just raw reflection. Overlapping passes, section by section. Don't skip around the panel like you're playing Connect the Dots. Work it methodically, like you're painting a wall, not like you're swatting a fly. Some of you are going to rush this part because you just want to see the reveal already. I get it, I want to see it too. But give this bonnet the full time it needs, because the difference between a rushed second pass and a proper one is the difference between, yeah, that's clean, and people stopping you in a parking lot asking what you did to this paint. Stay with me, because we're getting close to that reveal now, and it's gonna be worth the wait.